Bankura 132 kV substation has total installed capacity of 2 into 50 MVA.
Renovation and upgradation of various equipments of substation as well as transmission line has been achieved in past few years. All old and derated 33 kV main bus isolators have been replaced. New state-of-the-art ACDB, DCDB, charger, battery set has been incorporated by replacing the old ones. The replacement work of AC Acer Deer conductor by AC Acer Zebra conductor is on the verge of completion. All 132 kV current transformers with high tan delta value have been replaced. Protection system of all 132 kV and 33 kV panels has been upgraded by utilizing microprocessor-based digital relay. Periodic maintenance of all substation equipments, transformers, circuit breakers, current transformers, lightning arresters, isolators, clamp connector is done regularly as per the latest maintenance schedule to achieve more availability. Transmission line patrolling, tree trimming, jumper checking and thermal scanning of all transmission line is performed regularly. In the last 2 years, no single breakdown occurs under Bankura 132 kV substation. The entire DC system has been maintained very well with double set battery and charger. Checking of earth fault, if any, has been done regularly. Condition-based monitoring has been done as per maintenance schedule to minimize operation and maintenance cost to avoid forced shutdown. Some of the new tests performed in the last year are tan delta, test of transformer bushings and current transformers, dissolved gas analysis test of transformer oil, contact resistance measurement, breaker timer of circuit breaker, thermovision scanning of clamp connectors, dew point measurement of SF6 gas of circuit breaker and periodical testing of relays, earthing resistance test by Mega Make Earth Resistance Tester. With these activities, failure rate is reduced to great extent. Safety is the most important parameters in transmission system. Different types of fire extinguishers and sand buckets are strategically located at the site. PPEs like safety helmet, safety shoes, hand gloves, safety torch and first aid boxes are readily available at control room. 11 kV Indo switchgear operation is always performed by wearing arc protection suit. Switching instruction, safety manual, drawings, spare fuses with multimeter are always kept ready to use. Bay marking and phase marking are properly done at Switchyard. Various safety posters are also placed at both control room building and switchyard area for general safety awareness. Safety awareness program has been arranged last year under Bankura area office for face-to-face training and interaction by distinguished safety personnel. Illumination is bright and clear at Bankura 132 kV substation and maintained regularly. Security guards are posted and strict monitoring is done. Entire premises is protected from outside by boundary wall decorated with barbed wire. 132 kV, 33 kV and 11 kV equipments are kept ready and stacked properly at stackyard to combat any failure instantly. A decorated garden has been built up and maintained as a part of facelifting and to improve work life. The residential colony at Bankura 132 kV substation is always fully occupied and beautifully maintained and encourages sports activities among the children of the employees. We achieved nil accident in last 5 years. We are going ahead to become the most reliable and economical power transmission system in the country with the highest system availability, maintaining quality power with minimum technical losses.